Hello students, I hope you all will be good at your places, and today I am just going to start the exercise 24b in mathematics. As I already told you about the adjacent angle, two angles having the common vertex and one of their side is common. As you can see here, they are called the adjacent angle. Here you can see here the first angle is given the 30 degree and second angle is given 60 degree and their sum is 90 degree. So if the sum of two angle is 90 degree, they are called a complementary angle. They are called a complementary angle. Got it? If this is the 40 degree, okay, and this is 50 degree, so 40 plus 50 will be the 90 degree. Okay, so 40 and 50 degree are the complementary angle. Got it? You can see here one angle is given the 30 degree and second angle is unknown. Okay, we have just supposed that is the x, means second angle is the x. So if they are the complementary angle, so the sum of both the angle should be 90 degree. So x plus 30 degree is equal to 90 degree. So you can find out the value of x. You can find out the angle which is unknown here. So x will be 90 degree minus 30 degree and it will be the 60 degree. Means the complementary angle of 30 degree will be the 60 degree. Got it? Now here the supplementary angle. What are the supplementary angle? If the sum of two angle is 180 degree. You can see here these are adjacent angle. Okay, this is the straight line and on a straight line 180 degree angle is there. So the sum of x and y, suppose this is the angle y, this is the angle x, so x plus y will be the 180 degree. Okay, and if the sum of two angle is 180 degree, they will be called a supplementary angle. Okay, so x will be the supplementary angle of the y and y will be the supplementary angle of x. Got it? If this is the 30 degree angle, okay, so it will be the 150 degree angle. Got it? And if it will be the 30 degree angle, so it will be the 150 degree angle. Got it? So 150 degree plus 30 degree will be the 180 degree. Got it? So 150 degree angle will be the supplementary angle of the 30 degree and 30 degree will be the supplementary angle of the 150 degree. Got it? You can see here this angle is given the 30 degree. Got it? And we have to find the value of x, means we have to find the supplementary angle of the 30 degree. If they are the supplementary angle, so their sum should be 180 degree. So x plus 30 degree is equal to 180 degree. Got it? So x will be 180 minus 30 degree, and when you will subtract you will get the 150 degree. So 150 degree is the measurement of the angle x. Got it? Now we will start the exercise 24b. Okay, so the first question of this exercise is saying that write the complementary angle of the given angle. Here I will tell you the first and the third part of the question number 1. Here you have to find the complementary angle of 45 and here you have to find the complementary angle of x minus 10. As I already told you that the sum of two angle is 90 degree, so they will be called the complementary angle. So to find the complementary angle, you will just subtract the given angle by the 90 degree. So complementary angle, this is the part 1. Complementary angle of 45 will be 90 minus 45. You will get the 45 degree. So this 45 is the complementary angle of the given angle. Now the third part, you have to find the complementary angle of x minus 10. So complementary angle of x minus 10 will be the 90 minus x minus 10. So 90, you will just multiply this minus sign in the bracket, minus x plus 10. So it will be 100 minus x degree. So 100 minus x is the complementary angle of x minus 10. Got it? Now question number 2. In this question you have to find a supplementary angle. As I told you that if the sum of two angles is the 180 degree, they will be called a supplementary angle. So to find the supplementary angle, you will just subtract the given angle by the 180 degree. So supplementary angle of 49 degree, first part is the 49. You have to find the supplementary angle of 49. So supplementary angle of 49 will be the 180 minus 49, you will get the 131 degree. So 131 is the supplementary angle of 49. Now I will tell you the fourth part of this. You have to find the supplementary angle of 20 plus y degree. So supplementary angle of 20 plus y degree will be 180 minus 20 plus y. When you will open the bracket, so it will be 180 minus 20 minus y, and when you will subtract, it will be 160 minus y. So 160 minus y will be the supplementary angle of the 20 plus y degree. Now the question number 3. The question number 3 is saying find the complementary angle of given angle. I will tell you first part of this. You have to find the complementary angle of 1 by 2 of 60 degree. Okay, so complementary angle of 1 by 2 of 60 degree will be 90 minus 1 by 2 of 60 degree. As I told you, to find the complementary angle, we subtract by the 90 degree. So 90 minus 1 by 2 of multiplication, and 60 degree will remain same, and we will divide the 60 by 2, it will go by the 30. So 90 minus 31 the 30, and when you will subtract, you will get the 60. So 60 degree is the complementary angle of 1 by 2 of 60 degree. Okay. After that, the remaining part of the question number 3 are exactly same. So you will do all the question like this on your own. Now the question number 4. Question number 4 is saying find the supplementary angle of the given angle. Supplementary angle of given angle. And to find the supplementary angle, what you will do? You will subtract the given angle by the 180 degree. In first part, you have to find the supplementary angle of the 50% of the 120 degree. So supplementary angle of 50% of 120 degree will be 180 minus 50% of 120 degree. So 180 degree will remain same, minus 50% can be written 50 upon 100 of means multiplication, and 120 will remain same. 10 to 10, 10 to 10 will be cancelled. Okay, and what is left in denominator? Nothing. 12 5s are 60. So 180 minus and 12 5s are 60 will come here, and you will subtract, you will get the 120. So rest of the part of the question number 4 are same, you will do on your own. After that, question number 6. The question number 6 is saying two complementary angles are in ratio 7:8. Find the angles. Okay, the ratio of complementary angle are given. Ratio of complementary angles is equal to 7:8. Got it? And you have to find their value. Suppose, we will just suppose first angle is equal to 7x and second angle is 8x. Okay, we have just supposed the first angle is 7x and second angle 8x, and if they are complementary angle according to question, so their sum should be the 90 degree. So 7x plus 8x is equal to 90 degree. So 15x will be the 90 degree, and the value of x will be 19 upon 50 will be the 6. Okay, x is equal to 6. Now we will put the value of x in 7x and 8x to get the value of angle. So first angle will be 7x is equal to 7 into 6 will be 42 degree, and second angle will be 8x is equal to 8 into 6 will be 48 degree. So these are the complementary angle 42 and 48. Now the question number 8 I am just going to tell you. Question number 8 is saying the measure of two complementary angles are 2x minus 7 and x plus 4. So find the value of x. Suppose first complementary angle is 2x minus 7 degree and second complementary angle is x plus 4 degree. Okay, and if they are complementary angle according to question, so their sum should be 90 degree. So 2x minus 7 and x plus 4. Okay, the sum of both the angles should be 90 degree. When you will open the bracket, you will get the 2x minus 7 plus x plus 4 is equal to 90 degree. Got it? As you know, 2x and x variable, so they will be the 3x and minus 7 and plus 4 constant. When you will solve it, you will get the minus 3 is equal to 90 degree and 3x will be 90 plus 3. When the 3 minus 3 will come here, so it will be plus 3. Okay, so 3x is equal to 93 and x will be 93 upon 3. So it will be 31. So the value of x is 31. So these were the questions which I told you in this exercise 24b, and the rest of the question you will do on your own, and till then you just keep practice. Thank you.